Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout. Alright, so the background is basil cardstock. And this is the April tip kit. Almost finished with April. Got 8 pages out of that kit. Usually 8 pages, and I'm ready to move on. But I'm going to try. I have just 2 full sheets, I think, left of that paper, and the Maggie Holmes cut apart sheet, and bits and pieces, scraps. So I'm going to try to use them up. We'll see. So that black and white pattern, kind of a plaid type pattern, I guess, is Maggie Holmes Garden Party. I'm going to use this yellow cardstock as a photo mat. This is a picture of Coco in the new house after we moved in. She looks to have made herself at home. Because I know when we first brought her with us to the new house, she was like kind of excited, like she knew maybe. Because we were moving stuff out, and then she's like, oh my God. And then we would leave her at the house, and it's a practically empty house. We would go unload. And so she's like, oh my gosh, they're leaving me. So she made it to the new house. Our stuff was there, and so she just kind of made it home. And so that wood grain is that I cut to a banner is also Maggie Holmes Garden Party. I'm going to use that small piece. I was going to go ahead and cut that down, then I decided no. So I erased my lines. I decided no, I'm going to glue it down first and then cut it. Hey Reese's, what you need, baby girl? Yeah, you want my attention exactly? Huh? Look out. Look out here. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I know. Yeah. I was gonna go get dressed while I was in the bathroom, while I was in my bedroom. And I'm gonna lift you up. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I was going to get dressed, and then Coco, she is sound asleep, of course, on my clean clothes, because I had dirty clothes in my basket, so I just put my clean ones in the corner in my bedroom, and she spread them out. And like, my mom was like, oh, yeah. Oh. Goodness, Risky. You're so furry. Yeah, you are. You're such a butterball. Anyway, so I'm going to glue everything down and start embellishing. And that floral layer there is awesome. Amazing. I'm gonna use a journaling card that's black and white and has 3 hearts. So I'm gonna cut that out of the cut apart sheet and lay that down. She decided to come lay on my lap now. Now I can go get more coffee. Yeah, now you need it so I can go get more coffee. Yeah. So, and that little label, love label, is also on the cut apart sheet. Now I'm going to look into the balloon, and You Are My World is the die cuts for, let's see, oh, hold on, let's see if I get the backside. It's Hip Club's Pretty Sweet die cuts. And the flowers are from look. Yeah, our Hip Club's Pretty Florals and Butterflies are Hip Club's Pretty Sweet March kit. I have that yellow floral die cut, which is supposed to raise bunnies plus balloons. Let me see. Oh, you haven't laid on my lap in a long, long time. Yeah. Oh, you must have itchy ears. Oh, you have itchy ears. Look, your tube is. Silly girl. Alright, so I'm going to, in the bottom, I'm going to use You Make Me Smile. And that is American Crafts Garden Party Thickers. I'm going to use some chipboard stickers, and those are Making Home's Garden Party Fun. Oh, there's Sabrina wanting attention. Right? My goodness, I can hear you purring, Reese's. Yeah, purr, 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 purr. I don't know why she's needing attention. Silly girl. Sabrina's so silly. And so, You Are My World is my title for this layout. Where you going, Reese's? Please don't fall. You need out? She wants out. And so that is pretty much all I do. Maybe some ink splatters. So when I have more, I'll be back with that. Thanks for watching.